Welcome back to another exciting episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a Resin 3D printer showdown between the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K and the Anycubic 4K+. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about price. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K is priced at $559, making it a bit of an investment. In contrast, the Anycubic 4K Plus comes in at $229, which is much easier on the wallet. If you're budget conscious, the 4K Plus is the clear winner here. Next, let's look at resolution and print quality. The M5s 12K boasts an impressive 12K resolution with an X accuracy of 19 microns, making it perfect for those who need ultra-fine details. On the other hand, the 4K Plus offers a solid 4K resolution, which is still great for most applications, but doesn't quite match the M5s's level of detail. According to reviews, the M5s 12K excels in print quality, especially for intricate designs. When it comes to screen size and display, the M5s 12K features a large 10.1-inch monochrome LCD screen, offering a broader view for your prints. The 4K Plus has a 6.6-inch screen, which is still decent but not as expansive. If a larger screen is crucial for your projects, the M5s 12K takes the cake here. Speed and efficiency are also important factors. The M5s 12K promises 3x faster printing with an average speed of 105 millimeters per hour. Reviewers have pointed out its speed as a significant advantage. The 4K Plus offers a single-layer exposure time of 1.5 to 3 seconds, which is reliable but not as fast. If you need quick prints, the M5s 12K is your go-to option. User experience and features are where the M5s 12K shines with its intelligent features like auto device check and retin detection. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly interface and advanced features. The 4K Plus comes with Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0 and a laser-engraved build plate, making it a reliable choice but not as feature-packed. If you want a more autonomous experience, the M5s 12K is the better choice. Lastly, let's discuss build volume. The 4K Plus offers a larger print volume of 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters, which gives you more space for bigger projects. The M5s 12K doesn't specify its build volume, but given its other features, it's likely sufficient for most needs. If a larger build volume is essential, the 4K Plus has the upper hand. In summary, reviews for the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K highlight its high resolution, fast printing speeds, and user-friendly features, although it comes with a learning curve. On the other hand, the Anycubic 4K Plus is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and good print quality, making it a strong contender for those new to resin printing. So, there you have it. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K is the high-end, feature-packed powerhouse, while the Anycubic 4K Plus is the budget-friendly, reliable workhorse. Which one's for you? Let us know in the comments which printer you'd go for and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Product links are in the description.